Hi everyone, welcome to CodeSpace. In this video, we are going to talk about C Sharp.
C Sharp began with its project codename Cool, which is short for C-like object-oriented language. C Sharp was designed by Anders Helsberg from Microsoft in 2000 and was later approved as an international standard by ECMA in 2002. ECMA is short for European Computer Manufacturers Association. C Sharp, developed by Microsoft, uses the .NET framework. .NET is a specification for Common Language Infrastructure which describes executable code in a runtime environment that allows software written on high-level language to operate on many platforms and architectures without any changes to code. And this is the Microsoft's answer to the write once and deploy anywhere. C Sharp's intentions provide support for software engineering principles such as type checking, array bounds checking, detection of attempts to use uninitialized variables, and automatic garbage collections. We don't need to worry about garbage collections and memory allocations. And it provides robustness, durability, and programmer productivity. C Sharp's applications can be used to make desktop applications using the Windows Presentation Foundation and make video games for any platforms including Xbox and PlayStation using the Unity 3D game engine. Augmented reality and development of virtual world is possible using C Sharp with Microsoft's HoloLens technology. And with Microsoft's purchase of Xamarin, your C Sharp code can run on any mobile device. C Sharp, .NET Framework and Runtime. .NET Framework also provides a wide variety of libraries that provide everything a software developer would need to write applications. The .NET Framework has two parts. First one, Framework Class Library or FCL. FCL provides the means to execute programming code written in a variety of languages including C Sharp. And you can use it other languages to write code that runs in the .NET Framework. FCL also provides a large collection of libraries including easy ways to deal with files, network communications, graphics, programming with concurrency and security and etc. And the other one is CLR, Common Language Runtime. CLR provides an application virtual machine similar to the Java virtual machine. The code written in .NET languages is not compiled to machine code. It is instead compiled to an intermediary format called bytecode. The bytecode is then compiled at runtime on the platform where it is executed by the CLR in a process called just-in-time or JIT compilation.
Installing Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an IDE integrated development environment, and this is the link for the downloads page. The page looks like this. Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition is free, and other two we have to pay for that. And mine is 2019 edition. This is Visual Studio installer page. Let me show you. Like, these are the things I have been using, and I've downloaded these things in .NET Desktop Development, and then we can simply click that install while downloading. After downloading that, launch this Visual Studio installer. And click create a new project, and here you can select console application. So like, these are the drop down menus. You can click and select the various languages and various environments and all the platforms. And the next, so here we can select and give a project name, location, and solution name. After filling this, click Next. So here the framework I've been using is .NET 5.0. Creating project. So this is the console application look like. This is program.cs. .cs refers to the C# program. Here let me explain you the C# code structure. Every console application start from the main method of the program class. And this using system is the reference of .NET Framework namespace. And this namespace console app1 consists the project we are working. And program is the class. Main is a method. And this console is the method to display value on console. So this right line will write this hello world. Let me run this program. Here it's building and the build succeeded. So here the output hello world. No issues found.